Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this Amazon Echo. So here's everything that comes in the box. Here's the actual speaker. It does have a threaded insert on the bottom, but it's got this nice rubber. Now you're going to plug it in right back here. We got some buttons on top. Here's the actual power supply. Now this does take the 30-watt power supply. You're going to plug this in, and the cord's about 57 inches long. So around back, you simply got to plug this in right here. Now it does have a headphone jack that you configure for in or out. You got to do that in the app. Now you can plug this into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. It's 18 volts, 1.67 amps. That's what comes out here. So let's plug it in and let's set it up for the first time. This light down here is going to tell us different things about it by the color change. I've got volume buttons, I've got a do not disturb, and I can press this if I don't want to say the wake word. I can just press that and it'll start listening and do what I tell it to do. Okay, so after about a minute it did change to orange. That means it's setting up.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app. Hola, vamos.
Okay, so it's ready to go. That took about a minute.
Nice work.
So you will have to use the app to walk through some different setup things. It's going to ask you some questions about enabling the sidewalk mode and the address and all that. So you do have to use the app to finish the setup. So if you come into your house and you see this as like a yellow, that means you have a notification, and you can ask it for a notification. You can go in the app and change the wake word. Anytime you say the wake word, it's going to listen to you and try to do what you ask it to do. There, that means you're in do not disturb. I can press this, and that's like saying the wake word. And now I can speak to it, and it'll do what I tell it to do. You can turn the volume up very easy. The ring around the bottom will increase and then decrease. So you can kind of get an idea of how much volume you've got on it. Okay, let's go over size. So it's right around 5 inches tall. It's like a 5, almost a 6-inch cube. And again, you do have like a 1/4-20. You could put this on like a tripod or a mount. And with the wire coming out the back, you could go right up against the wall. Not too much more than the actual device, so about 6 inches. So I hope this unboxing and setup video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.